Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a football flicker. And please like and subscribe to my channel if you want me to make more stuff. So, you ready? Let's fold. So first, you'll need a triangle sheet of paper. A rectangle sheet of paper. Then you're going to fold this up to here, and then fold it this way, and then fold it this way, and then just keep folding that way until you have a square left. Now you're going to fold it into a triangle, and there should be like a little box here. Then you're going to fold this to there, and then fold this in. Alright, and now you should have this. And now you're just going to open this pocket. And then you're going to put this flap in it. So open the pocket fully, and then just fold this flap in. And then you can draw on it to make it look like a football, and then you can turn it into a football flicker. And it's a triangle right now, and this is how you flick it. So you need to hold one of the corners, and then you go. Bring your finger really fast and let go. And bye guys!